Intermittent fasting is a popular weight loss method that involves alternating periods of fasting with periods of eating. Choose the right fasting schedule. There are different types of intermittent fasting schedules, such as the 16-8 method, 5-2 method, and alternate day fasting. Choose a fasting schedule that suits your lifestyle and preferences. 16-8 method. This method involves fasting for 16 hours and eating within an 8-hour window. For example, you may fast from 8 p.m. to 12 p.m. the next day, and then eat your meals between 12 p.m. and 8 p.m. 5.2 method. This method involves eating normally for 5 days of the week and reducing calorie intake to 500-600 calories on 2 non-consecutive days of the week. Alternate day fasting. This method involves fasting every other day, where you consume only 500-600 calories on fasting days and eat normally on non-fasting days. Water is the most important fluid to consume during the fasting period, as it helps to keep you hydrated and aids in the elimination of toxins from your body. Aim to drink at least 8-10 glasses of water per day. Herbal teas are a great way to stay hydrated and add variety to your fasting routine. Some popular options include green tea, chamomile tea, peppermint tea, and ginger tea. However, make sure to choose herbal teas that do not contain any added sugars or artificial sweeteners. Black coffee is a popular drink during the fasting period, as it helps to suppress hunger and boost metabolism. However, make sure to avoid adding sugar, cream, or any other additives, as they can break your fast. Electrolyte drinks, such as coconut water, can help replenish the electrolytes lost during fasting. However, make sure to choose drinks that do not contain added sugars or artificial sweeteners. It's important to note that while staying hydrated is essential during intermittent fasting, drinking too much water or other fluids can also be harmful. It's important to listen to your body and consume fluids in moderation. During the eating period, focus on consuming foods that are high in protein, fiber, and healthy fats. These foods will help you feel full and satisfied and also provide your body with the nutrients it needs. Examples of nutrient-dense foods include lean proteins such as chicken, fish, and tofu, whole grains such as brown rice and quinoa, vegetables and fruits, and healthy fats such as avocado and nuts. Avoid processed foods, sugary drinks, and snacks. These foods and drinks can be high in calories and low in nutrients, which can hinder your weight loss efforts. Instead, focus on consuming whole, unprocessed foods that are nutrient-dense and filling. Planning your meals in advance can help you stay on track with your fasting goals and ensure that you meet your nutritional needs. Consider using meal delivery services or meal prepping to make the process easier. You can also use apps or websites that provide meal planning and tracking features to help you stay organized. It's important to pay attention to your body's hunger cues and avoid overeating during the eating period. Eating slowly and mindfully can help you feel more satisfied and avoid overeating. Speeds up weight loss when you combine intermittent fasting with exercise. You create a calorie deficit that can help speed up weight loss. Exercise helps to burn calories, while fasting restricts calorie intake. Together, they create a larger calorie deficit than either one alone, which can help you lose weight faster. Intermittent fasting can cause a loss of muscle mass if it's not paired with exercise. However, when you combine fasting with exercise, you can maintain and even build muscle mass. Improves energy levels with regular exercise can improve your energy levels and help you feel more alert and focused throughout the day. This can help you stick to your fasting schedule and avoid unhealthy cravings. Intermittent fasting has been shown to have positive effects on hormones that regulate metabolism, such as insulin and growth hormone. However, these hormonal changes may take time to occur, so it's important to be patient and consistent with your fasting schedule. Intermittent fasting is a personalized approach that may work differently for different people. It may take some trial and error to find the fasting schedule that works best for you. By being patient and consistent, you can find the right approach that fits your lifestyle and goals. Intermittent fasting is not a crash diet or a quick fix for weight loss. It's a sustainable approach that can help you lose weight gradually and maintain it over the long term. By being patient and consistent with your fasting schedule, you can achieve sustainable weight loss and maintain a healthy weight. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe.